In this video, I am reviewing the Matador Flatpak soap bar case after over 1 year of use. I purchased this product in November 2022 and have used it on car and camping trips as well as at intercontinental destinations. According to Matador's website, the Flatpak soap bar case is the lightweight and leak-proof way to travel with bar soap. Soap bars dry through the material, so they never get mushy. The brand explains the reason for developing this product as follows. Bar soap is one of the best travel hacks going. A small bar lasts for weeks and there's no TSA liquid limitation. Unfortunately, it's difficult to transport. Hard plastic cases are bulky, break easily, and drip soapy water in your bag. Ziploc bags don't leak, but they turn your soap into mush. We built the Flatpak soap bar case to solve all these problems. The crush-proof fabric design adapts to be the size of the soap bar inside. Our patented breathable fabric and welded seam construction is totally leak-proof, but it lets your soap dry inside the case so it never gets mushy. I came across this product when I switched to solid shampoo, i.e., shampoo soap bars, in 2021. $14 for a soap bar container? Anyway, in this video, I will share if I think the Flatpak soap bar case is worth it. Now, the most important driver for me to spend the money, after watching numerous YouTube reviews of the Flatpak, was the smaller size and lower weight compared to my conventional plastic hardshell soap cases. With airlines, especially in Europe and Asia, being strict with carry-on luggage limits, I had switched to the lightweight Sea to Summit toiletry bag. However, that bag is small and a standard soap case takes up too much space, whereas the Flatpak fits nicely and leaves available space for other items. Let's look how the Flatpak's weight compares to conventional soap containers. My hard plastic soap cases all contain a drain tray. The Matador Flatpak does not. I have, however, added a soap tray as it makes the Flatpak more functional. Without a tray, I had my soap bar sliding around showers at campgrounds and in hotels. The Flatpak weighs 12 grams, 0.4 ounce without the tray. Adding the tray, which fits inside the Flatpak, increases the weight to 22 grams or 0.8 ounce. By the way, the only tray I could find that fits inside the Flatpak is from my local Dollar Tree store. To my knowledge, Matador does not offer one. The Matador Flatpak soap case stands out when compared to my hard plastic soap containers. The differences are quite notable. In an era where airlines are increasingly scrutinizing cabin baggage, this distinction could determine whether you're required to check your bag or permitted to carry it on board, in case your airline weighs your bag prior to boarding. Let's discuss versatility. While the Flatpak is lightweight, it can be challenging to clean. Similar to other cases, soap residue tends to accumulate both inside and outside. I find that a hard plastic soap case is much easier to clean. Throughout the years, I've developed a strong appreciation for high-quality soap cases, especially after dealing with several instances of lids coming off or tearing, which left soap residue all over the inside of my toiletry bag. While it's not as messy as a leaking shampoo or lotion bottle, it's still quite bothersome. So far, the Flatpak has performed well without any issues. It hasn't ripped or leaked. However, after a year and a half of use, it does show some fraying along the edges and the ceiling roll top. So, does the Matador Flatpak soap bar case deliver all the features and benefits that are listed on the packaging? Let's review one by one. TSA compliant. No issues, but a bag without any sharp features is always TSA compliant. It is the content that makes this TSA compliant, not the bag itself. Waterproof with sealing roll top. Yes, that is definitely the case. Leak-proof roll top closure? Yes, but you need to roll it twice to be leak-proof. I learned that the soapy way. Flexible fabric design. Size adapts to soap bar. Well, yes and no. First, you need to make sure that your soap bar actually fits inside. Large bars don't. For example, a Chagrin Valley shampoo bar has to be cut in half in order to fit. Secondly, when closing the soap case, you have to ensure that all air is released prior to rolling the top over. Dry-through technology. Matador claims that the soap bar dries inside the pouch because of the membrane-type material. However, I cannot confirm that. And I am not alone. Other YouTubers have pointed out a similar experience. 3 times lighter and 6 times more compact at 0.39 ounce or 11 gram. That sounds about right, based on my review. Do I think the Matador Flatpak soap case is worth the money? The advantages are the lightweight and compact size. The rip and leak risk is extremely low, provided you use the roll top closure correctly. There is no rattling noise from the soap bar inside. This soap case is expensive. The lightweight and compact design comes with some limitations in functionality. There is no tray unless you find one that fits, and no loop to hang this bag on a hook in a shower. The fraying of the edges and roll top are a bit of a concern, but I guess this is part of normal wear and tear. The Matador Flatpak is my preferred soap case when flying, and for that purpose, I think it is worth the money. However, I do not take this on car trips because I value the superior functionality of a conventional soap container. So, there you have it. Happy travels!